morning students. Here we continue the topic binomial distribution. In this topic we know about constants of binomial distributions, that is mean and variance. The mean of binomial distribution is mu. The formula is NP, where N is number of trials and P is probability of success. The variance of binomial distribution is NPQ. Here N is number of trials, probability of success small p, probability of failure small q. And this is the formula for mode of the binomial distribution, and it is the formula of recurrence relation. Mostly we use mean and variance in solving the problems. So let us see one example using mean and variance. Here the problem is the mean and variance of a binomial distribution are 4 and 4/3 respectively. Then find probability of x greater than or equal to 1. That means here mean and variance are given as 4, 4/3, mean NP equal to 4, variance NPQ equal to 4/3. So if we take 2 divided by 1, NPQ by NP, 4/3/4. So by cancellation we get Q value as 1/3. So we can calculate P value, we get 2/3. So we get P and Q, and N value from equation 1. From equation 1 already we see that equation 1 is NP equal to 4. So from that equation 1, N value 4 by P. So 4 by P is 2/3. We get N value 6. So we have N value, P value, Q value. So by using those values we can calculate probability of x greater than or equal to 1. We can calculate this by 1 minus P of x less than 1. So P of x less than 1 means P of x equal to 0. That means no success. No success formula is Q power n. So 1 minus Q power n. Already we calculated Q as 1/3. So 1 minus 1/3 whole power 6 is 0.9986. So that is the problem. So in this problem, mean and variance are given. By using the formulas we calculated P and Q values and N value. So we can find the probability of x greater than or equal to 1. So we can go for the next example. If the probability of a defective bolt is 1/8, find mean and variance for the distribution of defective bolts of 640. So here P is given. P is 1/8. What is that P? Probability of defective bolt is 1/8. So we can calculate Q value. We have to find mean and variance. Mean formula NP. So N is 640. P value 1/8. So we can find mean value. Similarly NPQ. NP value 80. Q value 7/8. So you can calculate NPQ as 70. So in this problem we find mean and variance. In the previous problem